Hello, welcome. Let's provide answer to this question. If 4x squared minus 12x plus c is a perfect square, find the value of c. The options to choose from are provided. Now, this simply means that we are looking for a perfect trinomial, meaning a quadratic term. If I have, since you're having x, so let's say x plus a all squared, the binomial square, to give us our x squared plus 2ax plus what? A squared. This make it a perfect trinomial. Don't forget, you square the first one twice their product, square the last. So this is perfect trinomial. So this must also be in this form. But look at this, we are having 4x squared minus 12x plus what? C. To compare this to this, to make it the same, you can see the coefficient here is what? 1. We are having 4. So in this case, let's divide by 4 in order to rewrite this as what? X squared minus 3x plus what? C out of 4. Where in this case, this is the same as this. This, the coefficient 2a is the same as negative 3. A squared is the same as 4 out of 4. C out of 4. So now let's see. We can say that negative 3 is equal to 2a. This is the 2a as the coefficient. Then we have it because the a is a constant. So what do? We divide by what? 2. So our a is just going to be negative 3 out of 2. But are we looking for a or a squared? You're looking for a squared. So this implies that your a squared is negative 3 out of 2 all squared, which make this to become 9 out of what? 4. So this is 9 out of 4, which is what? A squared. And we know our a squared is the same as what? C on 4. So right? Our C on 4 is not the same as what? Do you see that? 4C on 4 is the same as a squared. And our a squared is what? 9 out of 4. Per cross multiplication, or just better still, multiplying through by 4, it will make your C to be equals what? 9, which is the option what? B. Now, another way of getting answer to this is that we know that for a quadratic trinomial to be a perfect square, their discriminant must be 0, meaning the b squared minus 4ac must be 0 in order to say this is a trinomial that is what? Quadratic, okay? Or to say it is perfect square. Where our b, in this case, if you hold on to this, we can have that. But let's hold on to the original question, where a is 4, b is minus 12, right? And c is this. So this is going to be minus 12 all square minus 4a, which is what? 4. And c, it is still c here. So we take c, we must get what? 0. This is going to be 144 minus 16c equals to 0. We are looking for c. So now let's send our 16c to the other side, and that will give us 144 equals to 16 what? C. I believe in order to get a c, what do? We divide through by 16. So we have 16c out of 16 equals to 144 out of what? 16. And that makes your c to be equals what? 9. So you can see that your c is actually what? 9 from the expression. We go for that. For you to be able to know that what you have done, if I have 2x squared, 2x minus 3 squared, let's see. This is going to be square the first, right? That will be let me take it this way, 2x all square. Double of this, so 2 into bracket 2x times what? Your 3. Then we say what? Square the last. That is plus what? Negative 3 square. If you find this, this is going to be 4x squared, 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3 minus 12x. This is going to be what? Plus 9. Where in the beginning I mentioned that if you have your x plus a squared, it should be x squared twice their product. So we are going to have this 2x a. Let me put the a first. Ax plus what? A squared. Where in this case, you can see the square is our 3. Here, if I rewrite this, do you see that? We are seeing that word. Square the first twice their product, which is this. Square the last. So the actual answer, this is what we expanded to produce this. And we have just removed this 3 square and put in what? C. So this is the C we are finding. So this is the perfect square, the term that has been squared in order to produce this quadratic term. All right. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.